इक्वेल एक्सेस नेपालको रेडियो प्रस्तुति।
If we were only a radio program, we would be informing people about certain things, but we go beyond that and we try to catalyze behavior change through activities at the local level. We call these our outreach activities, and these are through partnership with local actors, local NGOs and community-based organizations. So if it were an issue around, say, violence against women, and a group of women or men came together to meet, they would go back and translate that into behavior or action. So that is how, apart from informing, there is also education and inspiration for people to do something with the knowledge or the information that they got. If we were to combine, a combined audience would be in the area of 12 to 13 million people, which is half the population of Nepal. Our programs have been accepted by all stakeholders as programming that is of a very high quality in terms of how it is developed and the information that it imparts. Even the state radio like Radio Nepal enjoys the partnership with Equal Access because we work in partnership to generate a lot of content that goes out from the state broadcaster as well. So in fulfilling its role as a public broadcaster, Equal Access has been a good partner, and we get that recognition from Radio Nepal. Apart from that, we have won international awards, including the Global Junior Challenge Award for Satisanga Manka Kura, the International Children Day Broadcasting Award, and I would say if we applied for more awards, we might have won many more awards, but we have remained low-key in terms of our work and letting our work speak. In terms of the letters that we get, there are huge volumes of letters to our programs, and now there are emails, and we've also introduced SMS messaging for our more e-savvy or young listeners, and we get a lot of SMSs to our programs of late. So the letters that we receive are in the range of 1,000 to 2,000 letters every month for our combined programs. Some of the letters that we receive talk about the impact that the program has had on their lives. I can give examples of young people writing into the program, talking about how the life skills that was discussed within the programs has changed the manner in which they deal with their parents, whereby previously they would not be able to communicate their needs or their feelings with their parents. Now they feel much at ease in communicating better with their parents or with their teachers on issues that were otherwise difficult to discuss. Some of the letters are very personal, and when we sit down to discuss letters in letter sessions, some of the letters can bring tears to our eyes, because people write very personal things that they would otherwise not share with anybody else, and that is because they see the program as a friend, as a peer, and I think they want to share their grief or their agony or their feelings with the program, and sometimes it can get very personal to the level where some letters have talked about young girls writing about how they were raped at a very early age, or their internal emotional feelings, or talking about relationships and all these things. I would like to add on the work that we do, the role that we've played, about how we've strengthened local capacity to produce programming similar in quality to the ones that we produce at Equal Access. And we have done a range of trainings for a lot of local producers or institutions in producing socially programming for social transformation. I guess that is something that I would like to mention, because we've done that in local languages, so that it's not all Nepali language programming. We've trained local people to produce programming in their own local languages and in the local context.